in ancient times was a king who loved a young low-caste woman passionately. But this relationship enraged his subject, who banished him to the highlands. She tried to join him, but the main passes were blocked by the guards. So the king let down a rope made of twisted creepers and started to pull her up towards the top of the cliff. But suddenly she was dashed against the rock, fell down and died. The king was inconsolable. He couldn't stop crying. The goddess saw the horrible scene and was so moved that she collected the king's tears and created a torrent like a liquid light, falling down the cliff and veiling the scene. This rapid flow of water, or watery light, gave in Sinhala its name to the DIYALUMA waterfall. This morning we are going to DIYALUMA waterfall, one of the highest waterfalls in Sri Lanka.
Second highest. Yes. දියලුම දියැල්ල බලන්න ට්‍රැක් ඒ කියන්නේ ට්‍රේල් තුනක් තියෙනවා. ඒ ට්‍රේල් තුන එකක් රබර් ෆැක්ටරි පැත්තෙන් අනිත් එක කොස්ලන්ද ජංක්ෂන් එක පහු කරලා එතන කන්ද උඩ පාරේ යනකොට පාකින් ලොට් එකක් තියෙනවා. එතනින් පල්ලෙහාට බහින්න තියෙන්නේ. ඇල්ලයි කොස්ලන්ද ජංක්ෂන් එකයි අතර මැද්දේ තියෙන පොඩි පාරක්. ඒකෙන් අපි උඩට ගිහිල්ලා ඒක තමයි ලේසිම පාර දැනට තියෙන. රබර් ෆැක්ටරියෙන් යනවා පැත්තෙන් යනකොට ටිකක් කන්දක් නගින්න තියෙනවා. කඳු නගිරගෙන යන්න ඕනේ. ඒක ටිකක් අමාරුයි. අනිත් පැත්තෙන් යද්දී පොඩක් බෑහුමට තියෙන්නේ.
So today we will go towards the Koslanda parking lot. Let's go.
Go over there first, right? Edge.
So we have breakfast now. Good. Thank you.
There is a several stage on this waterfall, Upper Diyaluma. We'll go step by step to see that stages.
Thank you. Cheers. This is the end of our trip. We spent almost the full day there. You can have so much fun there, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The Waterfall Hunters of Sri Lanka, and see you next time.